Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and I have been sharing with you a lots of like portfolio tool or one page website kind of tool like Linktree tool or where you can link all of those things, Snap link and all. Okay, and all of the other tools that will like make help you to make your portfolio. But today I have a specific app platform, yeah, that will help you to make your portfolio within 2 minutes. Now, still, I would say preferably you should use Fuller as a portfolio or as a proof of work or something like that. But this is something different totally. It gives you a whole new page. It has no interface like Fuller, but it gives you a whole new page to create your own portfolio. Okay, there are lots of customization included in it. Lots gonna come soon, but let's see what we have today, then we will talk more about it, right? So here you can see our today's website is Folio. Yeah, pretty much simple name for portfolio builder. And as I say, build your website less than 2 minutes. Actually, why less than 2 minutes? Because they have like really minimal amount of customization in their website or platform. So yeah, they have themes. They give you page analytics. That is something really important. They give you color customization. That is also helpful. Tips and donations. So maybe you can connect some of the providers. Meeting scheduling. That's great. Submitting your design. Custom domains. That's the most important thing about a portfolio making website that you may have. I have my own website. I tend to create a portfolio in that as well, but that is not that much maintainable first of all, and I really like don't want to fiddle around with that website, to be honest. So rather than that, if I can have something really easy, I would like to like change it every now and then, so that would be more preferable for me, right? So like that, it gives you custom damage. So yeah, it will be great for me to use it as a portfolio builder as well. But as I have my Fuller account, so I totally depend upon that for my portfolioing purpose. Rather than that, I think I have to create something really like totally different for my personal website. So let's have an example. Okay, so here is a portfolio of Langford, web developer. They are the maker of it. Okay, so it is a portfolio of Langford web developer, content writer, and as you can see, all of those links are over here. And it has actually four section all in one page, and it actually feels like a website, right? This is not like one page apps. Okay, like link trees or an app link. Okay, it feels like a website. If you go to the above section, here is the above section, here is about him. In the skill section, as you can see, there are a lot of skills that is included over here: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, blah blah blah, and then lots of things. Then in Find Me, there is again all of those social links included over here. So that's basically about the whole layout. Now, as they say, there are lots of customization included, but I don't know how about like all of those, because this also have the same template. Like, let's see. Okay, so yeah, it also has the same template, and they are using Vercel for sure. As you can see, the favicon is in Vercel, and here you can see a totally different theme. Okay, and here is one of their project. Okay, SpongeBob. And if you click on it, like, you will be able to see the description, and if you click on it, it will simply play the video that I don't want to play. Okay, it has simply like YouTube video linked in it. But yeah, as you can see, really easy to use, like 2 minute, like less than 2 minute portfolio making platform it is. Okay, so really great, to be honest. Rather than being great, I would say that it is simpler and easier. Okay, so that's the thing. But you can't totally depend upon it. You have to have backlinks in it, as you saw over here. Like, it will simply have backlink. It will not host your content over here. Okay, so yeah, that's one thing to keep in mind while using it for your purpose. Rather than that, I really liked it. I liked the most is like, what I like the most is its simplicity. Okay, so it is really really simple. So you can build one portfolio yourself right now, so no problem. And if you know about some other great apps, please let great apps like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future video. And if you like my videos in general, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, share my channel with your friends, keep on increasing subscriber, comment down below, like help the YouTube algorithm to detect me, do whatever. And that's it. Peace.